Skills what there and why students must develop them. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze information logically and make reasoned judgments. In a world filled with information, opinions, and misinformation, critical thinking helps students distinguish facts from assumption. Students with strong critical thinking skills do not accept information blindly. They ask questions, evaluate sources, and consider multiple perspectives before forming conclusion. This skill is essential for academic success and real life decision making. Critical thinking improves problem solving ability. It encourages students to think deeply, identify patterns, and understand cause and effect relationship. Instead of memorizing answers, learner develops the ability to reason and apply knowledge effectively. In competitive exams, higher education, and professional life, critical thinking sets individuals apart. It builds confidence, clarity of thought, and intellectual independence. In conclusion, developing critical thinking is not optional, it is essential. Students who learn to think critically become better learners, better decision makers, and responsible individuals in the society. But in today's society, we see that this critical thinking is demolished. It is not used by the students, and due to which they are suffering a huge losses. Moreover, students are more dependent on AI, which is not good because AI is artificial intelligence. It is basically depending on data that we installed, right? And so that's why human are not using their mind and brain, right, to develop this kind of skills. But for an individual to be better in this lifespan, it is so much important to develop this critical thinking ability, and this develops when you practice on regular basis. Starting, it will be difficult because you have not practiced, but practice makes the man perfect. You have to practice regularly on daily basis. You have to write certain articles, certain essays on your behalf, on your thinking ability. You don't have to depend AI. You just can take the ideas from AI and develop your mind and brain on yourself, because God created you, right? And God created you for some purpose, but you are depending on machine learning, right? You are depending on bots, you are depending on AI, right? And you are not using the human mind and brain for your purpose. But when you look on the previous age, right, we were so much dependent on mind and brain activities. We used to do problem solving, thinking, and we used to also solve puzzles and helps each other through mind, because everything is mental. Universe itself is a mental. It is always mentioned in the seven hermetic principles of the universe that governs the entire universe, that everything is mind. When you are proper in mind, then you can achieve the desired result and you can manifest anything into your lives. But in today's life, we are just going backward, and we are just relying on technology and information so much that we are incapable of using this human mind and brain, which is a god gifted thing, right? So we have to utilize this kind of thinking. So this video is kind of awareness that you have to develop this critical thinking skills, right? However old you are, whatever your age is, right, it can be developed. Any skill can be mastered, right? You have to just spend some few hours and time behind it. Like, for example, if you want to learn something, it takes only 10,000 hours to master anything. So this kind of hours, if you give to any skill, any learning or anything, you can master that. And that's why, like, there are professors who master a lot of things in particular subject, and they devote the entire life to be a specialized person in that field. In that way, you can be a better person in the society. You can make world better person. You can do a lot many things, right? And you can also change the society and the people around you, and you can be a inspiration to a lot more people, right? We have to just open eyes and see what is helping us, right? A lot of people are not conscious and aware what the surrounding is, right? They are just taking decisions in there, and they don't know, they are not aware. So which is most important nowadays, right? So open your eyes and think clearly, act clearly, become a reader, become a writer, become a good speaker, become a good listener, right? So the other can follow you, so the other can inspire you from the learning. And also, we are all lifelong learner, right? I'm not saying that I'm more powerful, I have more capabilities, but I am also learning. I'm sharing this video so that I can also learn from that, right? And yeah, I can also share progress on what I am doing, right? So be a learner. Lifelong learner is so much important. I already talked in my previous video about financial independence, that if you are thinking that if you are a graduate or if you are completed certain studies, but still you are lacking in knowledge, and a lot of self-made billionaires and millionaires, they're looking for education only, lifelong learning that will set you apart, right? You be a lifelong learner and continue your journey on consistent basis. Be update yourself, and this will definitely help your life. If you find this video interesting, give it a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.